Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Caldwell Classics. Today we will be showing you how to make templates. I've already got one side done. We're making templates for the kick panels, for the side of the truck, for inside the truck, like this right here. Just a little cardboard template cut out from the old piece. We've got to do the other side over there. These are going to be made out of ABS plastic, and it's also going to house my fuse box when we go to rewire the truck, which should be also very soon. Video coming on that. If you haven't, go ahead and go watch the other videos where I took all the wiring out of this truck. Granted, there is no video of me working on it, but today I'm going to try to get some video of me working on these templates. So let's go ahead, let's jump inside, and we'll show you what we're doing. So this is what we've got to work with. This is the old paneling. This is the cardboard. This is just going to be for our template make. Essentially, all you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to trace it onto the cardboard. But since we've already got the other side, what we need to do is take, flip, and then mimic this, because we're going to essentially cut this little corner off right here, because this isn't, I mean, it's got a bolt hole here, but I'm not utilizing that. And then with this piece here, we don't need that either, so I'm not going to be cutting that out. So let's go ahead and get into it. So essentially all we're going to do is we're going to trace this out, and then we're going to cut it out with scissors. So I'm just going to put my knee, take my pin, draw a line there, circle there, do a little twisty twist. Oop. Don't get it messed up now. Alright, so I'll do another little twisty twist there, another little twisty twist there, another little twisty twist there. And now, press down, bring your pin, and boom. And then we remove, and essentially all we do now is cut it out, and you have your template. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get this cut out, and then we're gonna drill out the holes, and we're gonna go fit it to the truck, make sure it fits properly like it should, which I'm hoping it should. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this cut out, and then we'll see you guys out at the truck. Okay, as you can see, we have the cardboard template cut out. It fits nicely in there. All I gotta do now is screw it in. I just don't have any screws for this side. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to make these fit. These came out of the floor. These were holding the carpet in place, but as you can see here in the floor, we've got some holes. This side is the worst side, honestly. This is all gonna get cut out and replaced, but right now this is about the kick panels. So this is our template, and we're gonna try to use these guys right here to hold it in place. So we'll be back with you guys shortly. So we're gonna end up repurposing these screws out of the back panel from my Civic. We're gonna use these screws to hold the kick panel in place that we have in the truck. And just like that, she's in place. It actually looks really good in there. I can't wait to do this out of ABS plastic. So that's gonna be it for today's video. When the ABS plastic shows up, I'll show you guys how to cut that out and then actually place it. And as far as the fuse box goes, I'm trying to decide whether or not I want it on the driver's side or if I want it on the passenger side. As of right now, I'm leaning toward driver's side just because I've got a lot of cutting and welding to do over here on the passenger. And then I might move it in the future when we do the small block 302 swap and 5-speed manual transmission swap. So as of right now, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It does help a lot. I'm just trying to be informful on these videos. Also, some input from you guys would be great. Like anything that I could change to make the videos better would be awesome input from y'all. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys next time on Caldwell Classics when the ABS plastic arrives.